In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a gallery block in Squarespace. We will start this tutorial by heading to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll venture towards the page where you intend to showcase your new gallery. Look towards the top corner of that page. You'll spot the Edit button situated there, which you need to select. Upon clicking the Edit button, you will then proceed to add a section to your website by tapping on the option that says Add Section. This will open a fresh menu full of possibilities, one of which is the Images tab that you're going to select next. It's in choosing this option that you'll start the process of adding a gallery to your Squarespace site. The Images tab will provide you with an array of layouts. You simply have to scroll through them until you find a gallery design that corresponds with the vision you have for your website. Once you've selected a suitable layout for your gallery, it will appear on your webpage. Your next task is to manage the photos that will go into your newly minted gallery. You can accomplish this by tapping the Edit Gallery button that appears once your gallery section is live on your webpage. Inside the Edit Gallery menu, several options await. You can add new images to the gallery with the Pamputas icon. Want to remove any images? Just hover over one and you'll see the Remove or Trash icon. Simply hit that. You can also reorder your images by dragging and dropping them into the desired position. Furthermore, you're granted the ability to add details like a description or a link to each image for more context for your visitors. However, your creative journey doesn't just end there. Once you have your images sorted, you can also decide how you want your gallery to look overall. To access those design features, you have to close the gallery editor first and then select the Edit section button. Once inside this menu, it's now time for your creative side to truly shine. Here, you can adjust various design aspects according to your needs. You can alter the gallery type, manipulate the section width, designate the number of columns, modify the spacing between your images, and even experiment with different background colors. Indeed, this is your chance to truly make your Squarespace gallery align with your brand and website aesthetics. And that's all there is to it, folks. A simple, detailed guide to adding a gallery block in Squarespace.